Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to use a whiteboard in Google Meet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to open up a whiteboard in Google Meet during a video call, then simply go ahead and open up a web browser and log into your Google Meet account and start a meeting. Now at the bottom right corner of the screen you'll be able to see this Activities button. Click on that, and you'll be able to see a whiteboarding option at the right-hand side corner. Click on Whiteboarding. In order to create a new whiteboard, click on Start a new whiteboard, wait for a few seconds, allow access for that person to the file that you are trying to create by clicking on Send. Now as you can see that the whiteboard has been appeared on the display. And that is how you'll be able to whiteboard on Google Meet. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.